Today we're installing these rear F-150 shocks from our friends over at Fox. Jacking up the truck and removing the rear tires is our starting point to gain access to the shock. Only two bolts hold the shock in place, one on top and bottom. Once they are removed, the stock shock can be removed, and the new Fox shock can be set in place in the top mount. After the top screw is tightened down, compress the bottom of the shock to lift it up to the bottom mount and slide in the bolt. After tightening it down, the install is all finished up.